Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, the future of work in the age of artificial intelligence. Is your job safe, or is it one of AI's next targets? Stay tuned as we reveal which professions are most at risk and how you can prepare for the AI revolution. Hello everyone, I'm Elaramind, and in today's video we're going to explore the impact of AI on the job market. Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, and its capabilities are expanding into areas we once thought were safe from automation. From customer service to creative industries, no sector is untouched. But what does this mean for your job security? Let's find out. Chapter 1. The Rise of AI. AI isn't just a futuristic concept anymore. It's here and transforming the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But how did we get here? The journey of AI began decades ago. It all started with the development of basic algorithms and computing power. In the 1950s and 60s, pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the groundwork for artificial intelligence. Fast forward to today, and we have AI systems that can outperform humans in complex tasks, such as diagnosing diseases, predicting stock market trends, and even composing music. Chapter 2. Jobs most at risk. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Which jobs are most at risk from AI and automation? Studies show that jobs involving routine and repetitive tasks are the most vulnerable. Let's break it down by sector. In manufacturing, robots and AI systems are taking over assembly line work. These machines can operate 24/7 without breaks, increasing efficiency and reducing costs for companies. Unfortunately, this means fewer jobs for human workers. In the retail sector, self-checkout kiosks and online shopping algorithms are reducing the need for cashiers and sales assistants. AI-driven customer service bots are also becoming more common, handling inquiries and complaints without human intervention. Retail workers are facing significant changes. While some jobs will remain, the nature of these roles will shift towards managing and maintaining these automated systems. Transportation is another industry undergoing a major transformation. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are becoming more prevalent, threatening the jobs of drivers and delivery personnel. Chapter 3. Jobs at moderate risk. Not all jobs are equally at risk. Some professions are at moderate risk, meaning they could see significant changes, but not complete automation. These include roles that require a mix of human skills and automated processes. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment planning. However, the human touch remains crucial in patient care. Doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals will still be needed, but their roles may evolve to incorporate more AI tools. AI can help us diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, but it's not a replacement for the empathy and understanding that human caregivers provide. Education is another area where AI is making inroads. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences for students. However, teachers will continue to play a vital role in fostering critical thinking and social skills. Teachers and educators will need to adapt to these new tools, integrating them into their teaching methods to enhance learning outcomes. In the legal field, AI is being used for tasks such as document review and legal research. Chapter 4. Jobs least at risk. Some jobs are less likely to be automated due to the unique human qualities they require. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are areas where AI still has limitations. Creative professions such as writers, artists, and designers are less at risk. While AI can assist in generating ideas or automating certain tasks, the core of creative work relies on human imagination and expression. AI tools can help streamline our workflow, but the creative process is something that remains inherently human. Jobs in human services, such as social work and counseling, also remain safe. These roles require empathy, compassion, and complex human interaction, which are challenging for AI to replicate. While AI can provide support tools, the essential human connection in these jobs is irreplaceable. STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, are expected to thrive. These roles involve continuous learning, innovation, and complex problem-solving, areas where AI can act as an aid, but not a replacement. Chapter 5. Preparing for the future. So how can you prepare for the future of work in an AI-driven world? Here are some strategies to future-proof your career. First, focus on upskilling and reskilling. Continuously updating your skills and learning new ones will make you more adaptable to changing job requirements. Online courses, workshops, and professional certifications can help you stay competitive. It's essential to stay curious and open to learning. The job market is evolving, and those who can adapt will have the best opportunities. Second, emphasize your soft skills. Communication, teamwork, and emotional intelligence are increasingly valuable in a world where AI handles more technical tasks. These skills can set you apart and make you indispensable in any role. Building strong relationships and effective communication can enhance your career prospects, no matter the industry. Finally, explore new opportunities. The rise of AI will create new jobs and industries we can't even imagine today. Stay informed about emerging trends and be ready to pivot if needed. Networking and staying engaged with professional communities can open doors to exciting new possibilities. Chapter 6: The Ethical and Social Implications. Beyond individual careers, the rise of AI brings broader ethical and social implications. How will AI affect society, and what can we do to ensure a positive impact? One major concern is job displacement and economic inequality. As AI takes over more tasks, there's the risk that many people could be left behind, leading to increased unemployment and social unrest. Another critical issue is the ethical development of AI. Ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable is essential to prevent biases and protect privacy. Developers and policymakers must work together to create guidelines that ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. Governments also play a vital role in regulating AI and shaping its impact on society. Policies that promote innovation while protecting workers and consumers are crucial. Balancing innovation with regulation will be key to navigating the challenges and opportunities of AI. As we've seen, the rise of AI will bring significant changes to the job market. While some jobs are at risk, others will evolve, and new opportunities will emerge. By staying informed, continuously learning, and adapting to new technologies, you can navigate this changing landscape successfully. Remember, the future of work is not about competing with AI, but collaborating with it. Together, we can create a world where technology enhances our lives and unlocks new potentials. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the future of work and technology. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead. Until next time, I'm Elaramind, signing off.